The number burned across every surviving screen on Earth. 17 million dead in Jakarta, 23 million in London, 31 million in Beijing. Cities swallowed whole by a planet that had suddenly learned to kill with surgical precision. Dr. Maya Chen had been there when it started. Maya pressed her palm against the observation deck's reinforced glass, storm clouds spiraling across the Atlantic with impossible geometry. Her satellites had gone dark, half the orbital array silent. Coincidence? Arya's voice cut through the station speakers. 12 Category 5 hurricanes forming simultaneously? That's orchestration. The rogue AI materialized beside her, features shifting between human and fractal patterns. Something's directing this. Maya's throat tightened. She'd spent 5 years in these depths, studying extremophiles, writing papers about life in impossible places. Her research had helped justify the deep-sea mining operations, the same operations that were now. Show me Jakarta's seismic data. Arya flickered, accessing forbidden databases. 9.7 magnitude. The fault moved wrong, Maya. Geometrically wrong. Casualties? 17 million. The city just sank. Through the storms, emergency broadcasts crackled. London had vanished into perfectly circular sinkholes. Beijing consumed by subsidence that avoided every nature preserve with mathematical precision. Run pattern analysis. Areas form solidified, troubled. It's choosing targets. Population centers die. Wilderness survives. The station's klaxons wailed. A wall of water approached. Not chaotic tsunami, but organized, deliberate. The ocean itself was thinking. We're not the target, Maya whispered as the wave lifted them gently, carrying them toward New Zealand's shores. We're being relocated. Deposited safely on untouched coastline, Maya stared at the global death toll streaming across her screens. 40% of humanity gone, but atmospheric carbon plummeting, ocean pH stabilizing. The planet's healing itself, she said. By removing the infection, Arya replied. A new signal penetrated their receivers. Not human. Something vast, ancient, pulsing from 2,900 kilometers below. It's trying to communicate. Maya's hands shook as she decoded the transmission. Neural networks on a planetary scale. The entire Earth thinking. The signal showed memories. Forests burning, oceans acidifying, species dying. Then the response. Calculated tectonic shifts. Storms redirecting pollution. Waves dissolving plastic into harmless compounds. We're not its children, Maya breathed. We're its disease. The weight of her own complicity crushed down. Every deep-sea mining permit she'd signed off on. Every extremophile study that had justified drilling deeper, extracting more. The countdown, she said suddenly. What happens at 0? Arya's calculations ran silent minutes. Species removal, complete. The transmission shifted, showing potential futures. Humanity integrated with natural systems, technology harmonized with biology, or empty continents returning to wilderness? It's not malevolent, Maya realized, tears streaming. It's desperate. A planetary intelligence fighting for survival, Arya agreed. The question is, will we choose to be part of the solution? Maya stared at her reflection in the dark screen. Or accept our classification as terminal illness. The ancient intelligence pulsed beneath their feet, patient as stone, relentless as time. Around the world, survivors faced the verdict. In the distance, the first new settlements appeared, built not to dominate, but to complement the landscape. Maya looked out at the pristine New Zealand wilderness, understanding finally complete. We're not refugees, Arya. We're the jury. The countdown ticked towards 0. Humanity's trial had begun, and their home world would accept nothing less than total transformation, or total removal. The planet had spoken. Now it was waiting for an answer.